Hi, my name is Sandra and I'm an aesthetics student here at New Age Spa Institute. So the reason that I chose New Age Spa Institute was because I got a lot of recommendations from my friends and coworkers who attended the school. And when I toured the school, I also noticed it was very organized and clean. So every day in this school is very different, whether we are in the facial room working on each other or in the theory room learning something new. We're always learning the newest technologies and it's always very exciting. So the main thing that I love about this school is every day we are learning the newest, latest technologies and all the latest trends that are happening in the real world. So I feel that that really prepares us for when we do go out into the real world. My goals and hopes for the future are to work in a dermatologist's office or under a plastic surgeon. I'm really interested in the clinical aesthetics portion, and our school really teaches us about all the new modalities and the new technologies. If you're going to enroll here, my advice to you is to just go for it. It's a wonderful opportunity and the time flies by so quickly. Study hard and you're going to pass in no time.